Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a bet on PolyMarket. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and type PolyMarket in the search bar. Hit enter and then click on the first link, which will take you to the official PolyMarket website. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one. After logging in, you'll see different categories where you can place bets. There are many options like cryptocurrency, politics, sports, and more. For example, let's place a bet on Bitcoin. Just tap on it. Type the amount you want to bet, say $10, and you'll instantly see the potential winnings, which can be huge, like 10,000 plus. And that's basically it. You just deposit your money, select your bet, and you're ready to go. If you want me to make another video showing how to deposit money on PolyMarket, drop a comment below and I'll make it for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.